Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about SN2 reaction. Substitution nucleophilic biomolecular reaction SN2. This reaction is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, alkyl halide react with base and form alcohol by leaving group halide. For example, this is alkyl halide called methyl chloride. This methyl chloride react with strong base hydroxide ion. This nucleophile react with alkyl halide methyl chloride. It gives alcohol called methyl alcohol. By releasing of halide ion chlorine called chloride ion. This reaction we discuss about mechanism. What is the mechanism of this reaction? In this reaction, in this mechanism, CH3 chloride, chlorine, hydrogen, and third hydrogen. This is alkyl halide. This alkyl halide react with base. This is nucleophile. This base attack on carbon and it form new transition state. The three hydrogen atom, first, second and third, these are lies within single plane. Transition state. And then it form alcohol. Called methyl alcohol by releasing of chloride ion. Here we can see that when nucleophile OH attack on positively charged carbon, it forms new bond with carbon. They are negatively charged particle. Similarly, chlorine also have electronegative element, so it also have negative charge. So in this transition state, carbon have 5 valency, 1, 2, 3, 3 with 3 hydrogen atom and remaining 2 with 1 with hydroxide ion, 1 with chloride ion. So here we can say carbon have pentavalent, therefore it is unstable in nature. Pentavalent carbon unstable. So this transition state is unstable because of carbon have 5 valency and therefore it form tetrahedral compound like methyl alcohol by leaving of chlorine or chloride ion. Here we can see that 3 hydrogen atom lies in left hand side, but at the end of the reaction we get this type of configuration which are oppositely comparison to our main reactant alkyl halide. Here chloride ion towards right hand side, but here hydroxide set towards left hand side. Because of if hydroxide ion attack from chlorine side, then repulsion takes place between two negative ions, and therefore this nucleophile attack on a carbon by safe side, means opposite to the negatively charged chloride ion. Therefore we get invert or opposite type of configuration at the end of chemical reaction. So we can say it is inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration. So these are the SN2 reaction. S stand for substitution and means nucleophile. 2 means this entire reaction follow second order kinetics. It follow second order reaction. It follows second order reaction. Second order reaction means the rate of this reaction directly proportional to the both substrate. First one is main substrate called methyl alcohol. Second one is our base or nucleophile hydroxide ion. If anyone is absent, then this reaction does not take place. So here both are required to get methyl alcohol from alkyl halide. So this follows second order reaction. We can also write rate of this reaction. Rate of this reaction directly proportional to the substrate alkyl halide as well as our base nucleophile hydroxide ion. So we can write rate of reaction, or we can say rate equal to constant K into alkyl halide into hydroxide ion. The exponent is 1 for alkyl halide and 1 for hydroxide ion. So exponent of alkyl halide and substrate alkyl halide and hydroxide ion is 1 and 1. Therefore, order of the reaction is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it follow second order kinetics, or it follow second order reaction according to chemical kinetics. They are single step reaction. It is single step reaction. So these are the SN2 reaction. The main point is it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Hydroxide or strong base like NaOH, KOH react with alkyl halide. It gives alcohol and leaving group halide ion. When alcohol or hydroxide ion react with methyl chloride, it gives transition state. In this transition state, carbon have 5 valency, therefore it is unstable in nature. Because in this structure, when OH and carbon CO bond is formed simultaneously, carbon and halide bond is broken, and therefore we get alcohol which possess invert configuration or opposite direction of the leaving group or incoming group. This chlorine is the leaving group, hydroxide ion or nucleophile, another nucleophile, strong nucleophile, comparison to chloride ion attached invert position in the methyl chloride, and therefore we get alcohol. This is called inversion of configuration. This is single step reaction. This is not isolable. We cannot isolate of these transition states, therefore it is a single step reaction. The order of reaction will be 2 due to this reaction depend on alkyl halide and depend on nucleophile. Thank you.